Hi, welcome back to the channel. This time on Kiwi Grand Tours, we're going to do another how-to it video and fit some axle covers to my Street Bob 2018. I got some axle covers from KPR, good German brand, so let's have a look and see what we got. So in the kit comes 3 different length shafts, threaded of course, and the 2 end caps, 2 different sizes. You need a 3mm Allen key to tighten one end once you've got them on, and I'll show you the little trick that I'm going to do with these pliers as well. So they're going to go into here, so let's get into it. So as you can see down here, I said before, we've got 3 different length shafts. We've got a 245, 280 and 313. For the FXBB model, it's the shorter one. So we'll get rid of those 2 there. Now in the instructions it says to do the right hand side first. Now right hand side sitting on the bike is the larger hole, so it'll be this one. So we just screw in the little shaft. Now a little trick I want to show you with the pliers is just hold it in the middle, not in the end, otherwise you'll strip it for when you put this end on, and just give it a tighten up. Keeps it nice and secure. Right, let's pop that in there, nice and easy. And we'll go around to the other side. Now, as you can see on this one, it's got a little hole in it, where a 3mm Allen key is going to fit in perfectly to tighten it up. So let's screw that up there. Now we want the hole at the bottom so we don't see it. So tighten up the right, then pull this left down, like that. Now we find the little hole. Where has it gone? There it is. So turn the Allen key around that way, because we're going to push it down, obviously, to spin this round to tighten it. So there we go, nice and tight. Job done. Well, there you go. That was a little video on how to fit some axle covers from KPR. Really good stuff. And as you can see, it's such a clean line now. It really is nice and clean. Covers up that axle hole. Looks really smart. Look, I hope you enjoyed our little video from Kiwi Grand Tours. Please subscribe. It will help our channel grow and get more videos out there. Thanks for watching. Cheers.